In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate fractional quantity on interactive brokers. If you've ever wanted to buy less than a full share of a stock, enabling fractional trading permissions is the key. Fractional shares can make it easier to diversify with smaller amounts or invest a set dollar figure rather than a whole number of shares. I'll walk you through the exact path inside the interactive broker's client portal so you can turn this feature on quickly and confidently. Start by logging into the Interactive Brokers client portal and landing on the dashboard, also called Home. Make sure you're signed into the correct account if you manage more than one, and that your account is fully opened and funded since permissions live under account management. From the top navigation, open the Trade menu. This is where Interactive Brokers groups order entry tools and related settings. Within that area, look for trading permissions. Depending on your layout, it may be in a sidebar or under account settings within the trade section. If prompted, complete any security verification. Interactive brokers may ask for a confirmation to protect your account. Once you're in trading permissions, find the stocks section and click edit. This opens the configuration for what stock trading capabilities your account is approved for. You're not changing your market data here, just the permission that allows fractional share orders. Proceed by clicking continue to move to the detailed options. On the next screen, look for Global, Trade in Fractions. This is the specific setting that enables fractional quantities across eligible markets. Select it, then click Continue again to confirm your choice and submit the update. After you confirm, you may see a short processing message. In many cases, the permission is activated quickly, but it can take a little time depending on your region, account type, and any required disclosures. If you don't see the change reflected right away, try refreshing the portal, logging out and back in, or checking your email for any follow-up from interactive brokers. A few tips before you place your first order. Fractional trading is available only for eligible stocks and exchanges, and availability varies by country and account settings. Some instruments won't support fractions, and certain order types or minimums may apply. If you use the order ticket, you may be able to enter a quantity like 0.5 shares, or switch to buying by a specific cash amount where supported. If the option isn't showing, revisit the trading permissions page to confirm Global Trade in Fractions is enabled and reach out to Interactive Brokers support if needed. That's it, you've activated fractional quantity on Interactive Brokers and you're ready to invest with more flexibility.